If you've just retired or if you have more space than you need, you may be thinking about downsizing into a smaller home. And if you've owned your home for a while now, chances are you built up enough equity to help you buy one that better fits your changing needs. Take a look at this graph on how home prices have grown over time. As the data shows, if you've owned your house for 5 years on average, its value has gone up by nearly 60%. And if you've been a homeowner since 1991, the value of your house has nearly tripled. While home prices vary depending on your location, it's likely your house has gone up in value by a lot, especially if you've lived there for a while. If you've been thinking about downsizing, moving to your dream home location, or even relocating to be closer to your loved ones, that equity you built up can help you move today. In fact, it may be some, if not all, of what you need for the down payment, or even enough for you to pay cash for your next home. So let's chat. We're here to give you expert advice to help you ensure your move goes smoothly. We're Cummings and Jim Lee with the Remax Shoreline. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a great day.